Alright, so I want everybody to go to the Windows 11 download site. You want to download the ISO file as you see there. Link is in the description. Download 64-bit download. I don't want you to install the assistant or a bootable drive or anything else. I want you to download the ISO file. Once that's downloaded, once you go to your downloads, open it up, go to setup, and you're going to see that you're not able to install. And that's only if you're on a machine that does not have the TPM trusted platform module, or if you're upgraded to 2.0. And a lot of you guys aren't if you're on a MacBook Pro or any sort of Mac like I am, especially on those older Intel chips. And when I say old, I mean only a couple years old. But these chips do not have the trusted platform module in there, hence why you can't upgrade the 2.0. Hence why I'm going to show you how you can bypass this. So you're going to see here, if we wait a little bit, and it's going to give you an error why you cannot install or upgrade to Windows 11. And this is something that I really need to use. Okay, so here we go. The PC must support TPM 2.0, and we can't even upgrade to that because, like I said, if you're like me with these MacBooks, you don't even have a trusted platform module, a TPM uh, soldered into your motherboard of your laptop. So this is what you're going to need, this upgrade to Windows zip file that I have on my GitHub. You want to go here, link is in the description, click on code, and then download zip. Then you see in my downloads down here, you want to go to your downloads, and then you want to upgrade, pretty much click on all my folders. And the third one down, skip TPM, check on dynamic update v2, and let that run, let that install. And then essentially when this is done, I usually just wait. This is going to add to your registry to bypass the TPM call. So once you do that, you can go through with the setup again like we did before. And I do want to give a quick disclaimer. This, I did not make this script, the CMD script, in any way. I did find that from somebody else's GitHub. So I always like to give credit where it's due. So I will put the link in the description for the other person's GitHub as well, where I found this. And I do forget his name, but I will put his name in the description to properly give him credit, because without that, this wouldn't be possible. So run the setup, and we will be waiting. Okay. So there you see, accept, and look at that, getting updates. This is a good sign. I don't think we got this before. But as we wait for this, like I said, I am on a MacBook Pro 15-inch 2018, and these do have the Intel chips that do not have the TPM, the Trusted Platform Module, on them. And Microsoft really wants people to, I guess, be secure and have the TPM 2.0 module and really put that TPM chip in use. So the Intel chips don't have this. The motherboards on your MacBooks do not have this. Usually it's a module that's within the CPU chip, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong. But anyway, we don't have these, being MacBook owners. And it's kind of a shame because the new MacBooks don't even use Intel chips. So I don't think that they even let you use Boot Camp. I think you would have to use a virtual machine instead, like VMware or Parallels or whatever. But anyway, I definitely like to use Boot Camp because I feel like everything works a lot better. And since I'm a developer, I definitely need both operating systems to build my apps for both Apple using Xcode, and I usually use Unity to make everything to run on Windows. So I definitely do need both. Um, but if we, yep, okay, so now what needs your attention? So if you get this, right, click refresh. And this is just telling you, hey, you don't meet the requirements, blah, 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 blah. We'll let you do it anyway. Click accept. You will get updates, by the way. You will get security updates and everything. So click install. Looks like it's going to let you do it. And 1%. Eventually, I'm going to stop the screen share and just switch to my camera. Yeah, I'm going to do that. 6%. Okay, so now I am just waiting for everything to install. So pretty much it's going to restart. It's going to say all different sort of things. Just step away from the machine, let it do its thing, or if you're bored, just, just wait. And then eventually you'll see it restart. I did skip the video a few times, so it's not this quick, but it's not too long. Getting things ready for you. Don't turn off your PC. And there you go, Windows 11. It looks a lot nicer on this MacBook Pro, as you see. Really looks nice in my opinion. I think Microsoft really did improve Windows a lot. Definitely looks a lot better. Things seem to be a lot more organized. But anyway, this is Windows 11. Try it out for yourself. Go ahead, follow this video step by step, rewind, pause, whatever you have to do. It's a video. We'll check the Win version and Windows 11. And you will get updates, by the way. But other than that, thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Please sub if you want to see more videos like this. Take care.